Hi friends, Physical Science 10th class, Principles of Metallurgy, Part 2. These multiple choice questions are useful for the 10th class students and also for the various competitive exams. The process of obtaining metal from the impure metal is called dash of the metal. The process of obtaining the pure metal from the impure metal is called dash of the metal. Roasting, refining, liquefaction, poling. B is the right answer, that means refining. Low boiling metals are purified by dash method. Low boiling metals are purified by dash method. Poling, liquefaction, distillation, none. C is the right answer, that means distillation method. Next question. The impurities are oxidized in this method. The impurities are oxidized in this method. Distillation, poling, electrolytic refining, all of these. B is the right answer, that means poling method. Next question. Dash is the method in which low melting metal can be made to flow on a slopy surface. Liquefaction, distillation, poling, none of these. A is the right answer, that means liquefaction method. Next question. The electrolyte used in refinery of copper is copper sulfate, copper chloride, copper carbonate, none. A is the right answer, that means copper sulfate. An impure copper is taken as anode and pure copper strips are taken as cathode. The electrolyte is an acidified solution of copper sulfate. As a result of electrolysis, copper in pure form is transferred from the anode to the cathode. Next question. During corrosion, dash process takes place. Reduction, oxidation, thermite, all of this. B is the right answer, means oxidation. One of the simplest methods of preventing corrosion is to prevent the surface of the metallic object to come in contact with atmosphere. This can be done by covering the surface with paint or by some chemicals like bisphenol. Next question. The rusting of iron is due to formation of silver oxide, iron oxide, copper carbonate, none. B is the right answer, that means iron oxide. It is also called ferric oxide. Tarnishing of silver is due to formation of silver oxide, silver sulfide, silver chloride, all of these. B is the right answer, that means silver sulfide. Its chemical formula is Ag2S. Next question. Development of green coating on copper and bronze is due to copper oxide, copper sulfate, copper carbonate, none of these. C is the right answer, that means copper carbonate. Its chemical formula is CuCO3. Next question. Corrosion of iron occurs in presence of water, air, any gas, none of these. A and B are right answer, that means water and air. Next question. Generally in India, dash carat gold is used for making ornaments 22, 23, 24, 25. A is the right answer, that means 22. Pure gold known as 24 karat gold is very soft. It is therefore not suitable for making jewelry. It is alloyed with either silver or copper to make it hard. Generally in India, 22 karat gold is used for making ornaments. It means that 22 parts of pure gold is alloyed with 2 parts of either silver or copper. Next question. Smelting is carried out on dash furnace. Reverberatory, blast, open hearth, none of these. B is the right answer, means blast furnace. Next question. The method suitable to enrich the sulfide ore is calcination, distillation, roasting, all of these. C is the right answer, means roasting. Next question. The substance added to the ore to remove gang are. The substance added to the ore to remove gang are flux, metalloids, oxidants, none of these. A is the right answer, that means flux. Next question. The chemical process in which ore is heated in the absence of air is called. The chemical process in which ore is heated in the absence of air is called roasting, purification, calcination, none of these. C is the right answer, that means it is called calcination. Dash furnace has both firebox and hearth separated. Dash furnace has both firebox and hearth separated. Blast, reverberatory, open hearth, none. B is the right answer, that means reverberatory furnace. Thank you for watching.